This is Camlin Klick 0.5 mm mechanical pencil, meant for precise marking and drawing, says the back. This pencil costs rupees 10 without a lid box. Interestingly, this pencil comes with dark writing lid, metallic clip, small eraser at the top, slim pencil, classic design, comfortable grip. 0.5 is mostly meant for drawing purpose with light shade, but this pencil performs dark shades too. Let's check the writing impression. Instantly it gives a slim impression, but once we break the lid and see, it performs dark, and even the lid seems very strong while compared with other brands lids. Nice pencil for drawing with light and dark shades from Camlin. In this price point, they are giving a metallic clip too. Thanks for watching.